The digital era is an era or era that has experienced a condition of progress in the realm of life in all digital direction. The development of the digital era continues to run fast and cannot be stopped by humans. Why? Because actually we are the ones who demand and ask for things to be more efficient and more practical. Of course, this will also be accompanied by negative and positive impacts. So, what is the digital act? What are the developments in the digital era? And what are the impacts of the digital act? First, the ease of communication. If in the past correspondence was only a door to connect communication, now anyone can choose several options to get in touch, starting from telephone, email, even conversation via social media can be chosen according to their needs. Not only that, the short communication process is supported by fees relatively affordable. However, the ease of communication still needs to be done carefully. The reason is there are still some parties using the communication system for negative things, so be careful using various communication media. Second, shopping for anti-complicate. Now there are fewer obstacles when we need something. Even if it rains, no one should be afraid of starvation. Even if you don't have a vehicle, you can still buy necessities. In fact, shopping activities can now be done without the need to travel. Third, walletless transaction. Forgot your wallet at home? No, you don't have to worry anymore because there is an electronic wallet in your cell phone. Just imagine you can do any kind of transaction, from shopping at supermarket, eating at restaurant, even eating snacks at street vendors with just your cell phone. Fourth, practical when traveling. One more thing that is no less interesting is that traveling activities are getting easier in the digital era. How not? Now purchasing transportation ticket can be done practically and easily. One of them is train ticket that can be purchased through the Traveloka application. 5. Information means. Not to forget, the digital era has also changed the flow of information to be faster. For example, now we can access information only in the palm of our hand via cell phone without having to visit various libraries first. Read in the digital act. 1. Paralysis through analysis. Now, for the analytical process, we need to further develop access to simple information, and mortals. Too many companies fall into the trap of always seeking validation and additional detail before making a decision, simple because they are concerned about a lack of due diligence. 2. Intellectually lazy. Too much data is bad for users. With access to big data and algorithms, today's digital companies create data that support almost any necessary conclusion. 3. Implicit and sloppy consumers. Everyday consumers are getting less and less attention, with more time consuming access to precious tablets. For less studying is a very dangerous thing. Only access to information is not always useful or relevant. A simple example is a doctor who often has to treat self-diagnosed patients online based solely on symptoms without proper training. The information retrieved by the general public is very limited.